What's up, warriors? I'm gonna be taking the fingers off these gloves. The left glove, you really only see the hand part of it, but I'm gonna use the rest of it as kind of like a base to add the rest of the stuff on her sleeve. But the right one is pretty much just this, aside from the bracelet thing she's got. Let's go with an inch. So I'm just gonna chop them off, and then I'm going to use some brown thread. It's not quite the same shade of color, but I don't care. Just to kind of make sure the seams don't unravel, and then I'm just gonna leave the edges rough as they are. So there's also a lining that I gotta cut through. Doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to make it so that it looks relatively even. One off. I gotta take the lining out though. Oh yeah. Lengthwise, that's pretty perfect. So let's get the other fingers. Oh gosh, it fits like a glove. It fits like a glove. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so perfect. I'm not even gonna mess with trying to even it up. I like how janky it looks. I'm still gonna tie up the seams, and I'm gonna trim down the lining, but oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it when a costume comes together. Boom. This is very soft leather. Let me show you the lining a bit more. So, this is the lining. It's a little bit stretchy, but it's very soft. So now let's take the fingers off the other glove. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Looking good. Looking good. So let's get this lining out of here. Alright, we're just gonna pull. Actually, maybe let's just pull. Squish this down a bit, like so. That way when it comes back up. Just want to take the whole lining out, but it does make it feel a little more comfy. I just don't want it getting in the way, is all. That should be good. We just don't want it poking out from the finger. So let's get the rest of them. all we gotta do is sew the seams together. What do you think? It's Bowser approved. Mwah. So yeah, now all we gotta do is sew along the seams so it doesn't come unraveled. And then that is the first part of these gloves done. This one comes up same length, but it gets covered by the material. So I might use it, I'm just gonna show you on this arm. I might put the material over and then have it kind of tuck in so it kind of helps it stay up, because she's got that kind of, you know what I mean, it goes like this, and then she's got like a buckle and then other material and then the other two buckles, and it's beautiful. So yeah, let's go ahead and sew these seams. This is the tiniest needle that I'm using. It's very thin because I don't want big holes in this. Turning it inside out so that I'm not trying to work on the inside from the outside. Here I can just work on the inside from the outside, but it's the inside. You know what I mean. Let us sew. Lettuce. Oh lettuce. Oh lettuce. Sew. Let it sew. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this for all of the rest of the fingers, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm done with that. Alright, I have finished sewing around the fingers. We got all the seams to where they won't unravel, and it looks pretty nice. It fits well. Yes. So there we have it. So this is just the first part of the gloves. Next part is the rest of the cloth on the arm and the buckles and the straps. And then the knuckle stud things for punching. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.